This video demonstrates the process to back up Office 365 archive mailboxes to PST with the help of Kernel Office 365 Backup and Restore tool. This utility is specially designed with advanced algorithms to back up Office 365 primary mailboxes, shared mailboxes, public folders, and archive mailboxes. With the help of this tool, you can back up the whole data of Office 365 archive mailboxes. Also, the advanced filtering options of the tool give you the freedom to back up specific archive mailboxes based on date, item type, include or exclude folders, etc. So let's see how this software works. Download Kernel Office 365 Backup and Restore tool and install on your system. After launching the software, select the backup option from the home screen. The tool will show you the Add Source section. Click Add button to add Office 365 account. After entering the right credentials for Office 365 in the specified field, select Single Mailbox or Office 365 Group, and then click Add. Once Office 365 account is connected, click Set Filters and Migrate, and then select Archive Mailbox from the Mailbox drop-down and click Migrate. In the next step, select the specific folders that you want to back up and filter the archive mailboxes based on date, item type, exclude or include folder, etc., and then click Start Migration. After that, select a specific location on your system to save the backup PST file and click OK. The tool will start to back up archive mailboxes. Once the backup is complete, a notification will appear on the screen confirming the same. Click OK to end the process. You can see that the process to back up Office 365 archive mailboxes with this software is quite simple and straightforward. Hope you guys like the video. Do let us know about your experience with this tool in the comments section. For more details about this tool, you can visit the link. Thanks and have a great day.